Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends. In the current week we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 14,981 level with a minor weekly loss of 182 points, or in terms of percentage it was 1.20% negative. What we have observed during this week that the market has made a new fresh all-time high at a level of 15,431, and after that during the last two trading sessions of the week we have witnessed a huge amount of selling pressure, specifically from the higher level, which has dragged down the Nifty down. Most important thing to observe was that the Nifty has breached the previous week low of 14,977 level and closed below the 15,000 mark, which indicates some caution for the specifically long side trader in the coming days. On the hourly charts, we have seen that the market has made a lower top lower bottom formation, which confirms short-term bearish sentiment in the market. Regarding the daily momentum indicator, which has breached below the 60 mark, which shows that some amount of loss of momentum is being witnessed in the ongoing bull trend. Now regarding the support and resistance level, Nifty has a major support in the zone of 14,750 and below that at 14,500, while on the higher side major supply zone is placed at 15,260 and above that at 15,431, which is the all-time high. In the current scenario, seeing the strategy, it would be a prudent specifically to buy at support level with long side bias and keeping strict stop losses at a level of 14,750 for all their existing long position or any fresh new position. We have identified two stocks for the coming week which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is Petronet LNG. Current market is near to 252. One can buy on minor dip around 250 with a stop loss placing at 239 for an upside potential of 275. Another counter which seems to be positive is Motherson Sumi, currently trading at 213.50. One can go long on minor dip around 210, 211 zone with a stop loss placing at 199 for an upside potential of 240. So that's it for the current week. Meet you on next Friday. Thank you very much for joining us.